Warm wishes to one and all. Myself, my name is Sai Kiran. I am Max faculty in Pelamal IT Foundation. Today's our topic is trigonometric ratios of negative angle. As already we are discussing before the previous classes, the negative angle. Okay, just see here once of when you take the coordinate system. Okay, when you take the angle in the point is in first quadrant. Okay, for example, here the point is in first quadrant x comma y. When you take a perpendicular from x axis, then it will become okay y units and it will become x units. When you join with the okay origin, it will become okay hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Okay, we are taking as already we discussed in previous classes. Okay, here the angle is in anti-clockwise direction. We are taking as positive angle theta. In the same way, when you take the okay image of the point through x-axis, okay, then this point become x comma minus y, then it will become minus y. Okay, this is x only when you join with these two. Okay, and this is also some radius, sorry, hypotenuse r only, hypotenuse r only. Then when you take a clockwise direction, this angle become minus theta, minus theta. In the same way, when you observe, when you give the names of here, okay, let it be A, M, A, this is Q. Okay, triangle POM, once you can observe, and triangle okay QOM, you can observe. From these two triangles, we can rewrite the trigonometric ratio. We can write the trigonometric ratios. Sin theta. What is sin theta means? Whenever angle is here, this will become opposite, this will become hypotenuse, this will become adjacent. Whenever angle is here, this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. Then what you can write? Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. 5 by r. In the same way here, what we can write? Sin theta means here minus theta. Sin minus theta. Then what you are getting? Opposite. Opposite is minus y by hypotenuse is r. Okay, that means what we are getting? Minus y by r. Minus y by r. Y by r can be written as sin theta. That means here it is nothing but minus sin theta. That means what we are getting? Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. In the same way, cos theta I want. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means x by r. In the same way, cos minus theta. Cos minus theta. Cos minus theta also adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is x by r. What is x by r we are getting means cos theta only. That means this is also cos theta. That means cos minus theta we are getting cos theta only. In the same way, tan theta. Tan theta. What is tan theta means? Okay, opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent means y by x. In the same way, tan minus theta. Tan minus theta. Tan minus theta. Tan minus theta means opposite by adjacent. Opposite is minus y by x. What we are getting y by x means tan theta. That means minus tan theta. Minus tan theta. What do you observe here? Tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. In the same way, if you take the reciprocals of these values, we are getting the reciprocal of sin and cos and tan. Okay, reciprocal of this one is cosecant. Cosecant theta is equal to r by y. When you take the reciprocal of this one means r by y, we are getting again r by y means cosecant theta. That means cosecant minus theta is equal to what we are getting? Cosecant minus theta we are getting minus cosecant theta. Similarly, in the same way, cos theta is equal to x by r. If you take the reciprocal, secant theta is equal to r by x. R by x. When you take the reciprocal, secant minus theta is equal to secant minus theta is equal to, we want to take the reciprocal of this one, r by x. R by x we are getting secant theta. That means which is equal to secant theta. In the same way, reciprocal of this one you can take, we are getting okay, reciprocal of this one is cot theta. Cot theta is equal to x by y we are getting. When you take the reciprocal of tan minus theta, tan minus theta reciprocal is cot minus theta. Cot minus theta reciprocal means minus x by y we are getting. Minus x by y means cot theta. That means minus cot theta. That means what do you observe here? Sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cosecant minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Secant minus theta is equal to secant theta. Tan minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. That means what do you observe? Here cos and secant. Cos and secant. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Secant minus theta is equal to secant theta, and the remaining all are negative. And the next we can observe the examples. Sin minus 300 degrees, cos minus 1 to 215 degrees, tan minus 11 pi by 3, cot minus 15 pi by 4, cosecant minus 1410 degrees, secant minus 3 pi by 2 degrees. Radians they are given. We went to find that value, sir. Okay, just here also the sin minus 300 degrees. Just now we learned sin minus theta is equal to minus theta. That means what we can write? Minus sin theta. We are writing minus sin theta means here 300 degrees. Sin 300 degrees, how we can get means minus sin 300 can be written as 360 minus 60 degrees. We can write 360 minus theta. Sin 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta means which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant what are positive? Cos and secant are positive. Remaining all are negative. That means already minus is there, and again it is negative minus, and it is even multiple of 90, odd multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90. Trigonometric function doesn't change. It means sin 60. Sin 60. That means minus of minus plus sin 60 we are getting. Sin 60 means, okay, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. That means sin minus 300 degrees value is root 3 by 2. In the same way, cos 250. Cos minus 215. Cos minus 215. Cos minus 215. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. That means cos 215 value. Cos 215 can be written as cos 180 plus 45 you can write. Okay, 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Tan and cot are positive, cos is negative. That means we are getting a negative answer. 180 means even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90. Trigonometric function doesn't change. That means cos 45. Cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. That means minus 1 by root 2. Cos minus 215 value is minus 1 by root 2. In the same way, the next example, just here once of the cot minus 15 pi by 4. In the next example, just here once of the tan minus 11 pi by 3. Tan minus 11 pi by 3. Tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Tan theta means here 11 pi by 3. 11 pi by, just here once of the 11 pi by 3, can I write like this? Minus tan, okay, 4 pi minus pi by 3. When you take the LCM, it will become 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 3 we are getting. Okay, once of the, whenever we are taking the coordinate system, okay, whenever, okay, here to here one rotation over means half rotation over means 180 degrees, that is nothing but pi. 2 pi means complete rotation over. Again 2 pi means 4 pi means 2 complete rotation over. 2 complete rotations over and minus theta. 2 complete rotations over and minus theta means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant what are positive means? Fourth quadrant what are positive? Cos and secant are positive. Tan is negative. That means already minus is there. We are getting a negative answer. And 4 pi is even multiple of 90 or odd multiple of 90. Even multiple of 90. Trigonometric function doesn't change. That means minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3 means minus of minus plus tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 value is root 3. That means answer is root 3. In the same way, cot minus 15 pi by 4. Cot minus 15 pi by 4 can be written as cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. That means minus cot 15 pi by 4. Okay, just here one to the cot 15 pi by 4 we can write like this. Cot 4 pi minus pi by 4. Okay, 4 we can take common means 16 pi. 16 pi minus 5, 15 pi by 4 only. Na? Okay, again 4 pi means 2 complete rotations over and minus theta. Again fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, then it will become negative. That means already negative is there. Minus of minus, it is even multiple of 90. Trigonometric function doesn't change. Cot pi by 4. That means minus of minus plus, and cot pi by 4 value is 1. Okay. In the same way, next example, just we can observe first secant. Observe secant minus 3 pi by 2. Minus 3 pi by 2. Secant minus theta. Secant minus theta means secant theta only. That means secant 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Secant 3 pi by 2 can be written as just here once of the secant pi plus pi by 2 we can write. When you take the LCM, we are getting 2 pi plus pi, 3 pi. That means pi plus means half rotation over. Okay, here just here once of the whenever half rotation over complete. Okay, 180 degrees over 180 degrees means here it is the angle. 180 plus means this is the third quadrant. 180 minus means second quadrant. That means pi plus means 180 plus. 180 plus means which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant what are positive? Tan and cot are positive. Secant is negative. That means we are getting a answer negative. And one more thing, just here on the it is even multiple or odd multiple? Even multiple of 90. Trigonometric function doesn't change. That means it can be secant pi by 2. Secant pi by 2 value. Okay. Cos pi by 2 value is 0. Secant pi by 2 value is not defined. The one cosecant minus 14 10 degrees. Okay. That means cosecant minus theta is equal to, we know, minus cosecant theta. That means what we are getting? Minus cosecant 14 10 degrees. 14 10 degrees. Okay, minus 14 10 degrees. Okay, cosecant minus 14 9 degrees. What we are getting? Minus cosecant 14 9 degrees. Okay, before already we know allied angles, how much higher angle they are given, means how can convert into smallest angle. Okay, just divide with 90. 14 10 degrees divide with 90. Okay, 90. Okay, here 3 digits we can take, means 1 time 90. Then what you are getting? It will become 51 is the remainder. When you take the 0 borrow, then here it is 5 times you can take 450. Then we are getting the 60 remainder. 60 remainder. That means whenever we are using this one, we can use division algorithm. That means dividend equal to divised into quotient plus remainder. That means here what we can write? Here minus cosecant. Here 14 10 degrees can I write into 90 into 15 plus 60 degrees. 19 into 15 plus 60 degrees. Just here once of the 19 into 15 means it is which one? Odd multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90 means trigonometric function change. Okay. Just here once of the, is it a positive or negative? How we can check means we can go with the quadrant only now. Just here once of the 490 over means complete rotation over. Whenever we can take the coordinate system, 490 over means on complete rotation over. That means 890 over means 2 complete rotations over. 1290 over means 3 complete rotation. 1290 over means 3 complete rotations over. Okay, this is 1390 and 1490, 1590. Here it is 1590s and it is plus theta is there means fourth quadrant, minus theta is there means third quadrant. Here plus theta is there. Plus theta means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant what are positive? Okay, cos and secant are positive. Cosecant is negative. Then already minus is there. We are getting a negative and it is even multiple of 90, odd multiple of 90. Odd multiple of 90. Trigonometric function change. How it is changed as secant. Secant 60 degrees. Just here one such a minus of minus plus secant 60. Secant 60 value is 2. That means answer here cosecant minus 14 10 degrees is nothing but 2. Thank you.